Hey everyone, good evening. My name is Amit Surana. Today we are dealing with the last session on probability. Because we've seen so many theory sessions, we've done some examples. I thought might as well combine all of them, make a practice session. So today we are going to do some advanced questions on probability. This is going to test if you've really understood everything that we've spoken so far. Welcome everyone. Today we are doing advanced probability. Hi Janvi, good evening. My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai with over 7 years of experience, and I have trained 2 lakh students in doing so. Please do not forget to follow #CatLiveDaily on Instagram. These are the 2 Telegram groups that I would definitely like for you guys to be a part of, because you will get all the updates, everything that we have planned on our channel, away from our channel, on our app, everywhere. Yes, hi Jayanti, good evening. So please get yourselves added to these groups if you haven't already. This is a list of all the concepts that we've completed so far. We've gotten introduced to probability, we've seen different events, we've seen what complement of an event is. We are done with coin based probability, dice based probability, cards based probability, and selection based probability. In the last lecture we looked at what conditional probability is, and we saw some questions on Bayes' theorem. Yes, today what we are going to do is we are going to put everything to use. This is a practice session. Also guys, apart from the classes that we do here on YouTube, we also do free classes on the app. So you can download the Unacademy's learning app if you haven't already. Yes, go to your Play Store, you can download the Unacademy learning app. And for the 1st of July, that is Thursday, I have planned 2 classes, yes, on the app. So just download Unacademy learning app. Yes, it will ask you for an invite code, that who sent you, bhai kisne bheja tumhe. So you can use Surana Live as the referral code. On Thursday 1st of July we are doing 2 classes. One will be a practice session on triangles. Since we have completed everything on triangles, we'll be doing a practice session. This is a free class. Thursday 10 a.m. This is going to be a 90-minute session, right? 10 to 11:30. We will do some very interesting questions. The link for this particular session is in the description. You can also join for the probability. This is especially for Propel batch, guys. Yes, the 8 p.m. batch is the Propel batch. So this is especially for you guys. Practice session, free class again, 1st July, Thursday at 1 p.m. right? This is going to be a 1-hour session. So 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. we'll be doing a practice session, right? The link for this is also in the description. Cool. Hi Sarthik, hello Rama, good evening. And these are all the ongoing and upcoming batches, guys. If you haven't enrolled into them yet, please go ahead and do that. You can enroll into 1 or more batches by picking out any one of these subscription packages. You can use my code Surana Live for a 10% discount, and if you take a 6-month package subscription pack, then you will get 1 month subscription free. Yes, that being said, let's start. Here's our first question. Now this was a question asked in CAT 1993. Looks like a very simple question, but there have been situations where people mistook it for a different question and got it wrong. So quickly try this. Jaldi se. Hi Ajay, good evening. Vanakkamba. Good evening, good evening. Shall I quickly try? Let's see if you can actually answer this question. So there's a small difference, right? Regular question, this question, there's a very small difference. Quickly try this out. Let's see. Correct, Janvi, very good. So Gaurav says C, very good Gaurav, superb. Gaurav has changed the answer now to A, 1/18, okay. Correct, Janvi. So what's the difference? They're saying that each ball is of a different size. This is not your regular, ball selection question. It has a small twist. They're saying her ball jo hai alag-alag size ka. So there are no two balls of the same size. Yes. So they're asking what is the probability that the red ball selected is the smallest ball? Yes, Tushar says C. Okay. Others? So what question is this, guys? Can anyone tell me? Is it regular probability? No. This is what? Conditional probability. Correct? Why is it conditional probability? Because they have put up a condition, yes, that the red ball selected is the smallest ball. Yes, that the red ball selected is the smallest ball. Correct? That means what? They have already selected a red ball. They have already selected a red ball. We just have to check the probability that it is the smallest. Correct? What is this? We all know that probability of A when B. Correct? Probability of A when B is nothing but probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. So in this case, probability of smallest when red is going to be what? Probability of small and red ball upon probability of getting a red ball. Correct? Very good. Superb. Janvi says 1/6. Hi Ayush, good evening buddy. I know Ayush what you're thinking. You're probably wondering, sir, why haven't you already responded? I was a little held up, Ayush, so don't worry, I'll respond by tonight. Okay. All right, so now let's look at the given condition, right? What do we have? There are 6 red balls, 7 green balls and 5 blue balls. That is 12 and 6, 18 balls in total. Yes, since all of them are of different size, all of them are of a different size, then there'll be one smallest ball, one largest ball, and other 16 balls will also not be equal to each other. Correct? Other 16 balls will also not have the size equal to each other. So if we want probability of getting a smallest ball that is red, then that's going to be what? 1 out of 18. Say yes if you agree with that. Out of 18 balls, 1 is the smallest, right? So 1 out of 18 will be the probability of smallest red ball. That is 1 out of 18 upon what is the probability of getting a red ball? 6 out of 18. Correct? Yes, since there are 6 balls out of 18, this will be the probability of getting a red ball. So ultimately what do you have? You have 1/6 as your probability. So there's 1 out of 6 chances, 1 out of 6 chances that the ball that you've chosen, that the red ball that you've chosen will be smallest. The red ball that you have chosen will be smallest. So what's our answer? Option C, 1/6. So people who've given that answer, very good. Superb. Janvi, very good. Tushar, very good. Gaurav of the past, Gaurav of the present changed the answer, so please be careful. Okay, no issues, Ayush. Okay, chalo. Hi Neha, good evening. Shall we move to the second question? So this question is actually simple, but then there are chances of people ending up making a mistake. Okay, so please be careful about this. Yeah, chalo. Now let's go to the second question. This was also asked in 95. So the previous question was from 93. This one's from 95. I understand these are old questions, but the only reason why we're doing these questions is because these are interesting ones. Okay, a little different ones. Chalo, quickly try this. What is the probability that the number is divisible by 25? Math based probability, do you remember? We've done some questions which are math based. We did it in combinations also. Math based selection करके अपन ने किया था. Yeah. So for in these kind of questions fall in both categories. They fall in modern math also, yes, and they also are a part of number system. Yes, ना घर का ना घाट का, मतलब दोनों घर का भी घाट का भी, अजीब ही कुत्ता. Okay, Ayush says A, 1/12. Okay, how about others? Technically a very easy question, very easy question. Done. Gaurav also says A. Very good. So first see that there are 4 numbers given to us: 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. They're saying that the number should be divisible by 25. So first let's find out the sample space, right? What will be the sample space? There are 4 blanks, 4 digits available, repetition not allowed, so you have 4 factorial, correct? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what's your sample space? Sample space is 24. One part of the question is done. Now let's go for the favorable outcomes. Now they want a number to be divisible by 25. We know that if a number is divisible by 5, it will end with a 5 or a 0, correct? Shouldn't there be something like that for 25 also? Yeah, so let's look at this. 25 ka kya scene hai? If a number should be multiple of 25, it should either end with 25, like 25, 125, so on. Yes, or it should end with what? What is 25 2 times? 50. So it will end with 50, 50, 150, 250 and so on. Yes, then you will have numbers that are multiplied with odd, like 25 into 3, 75. Yes, and 25 multiplied by multiples of 4, that will end with 2 zeros. Yes, so these are the last 2 digits possible, correct? Is there any other possibility, any other number that you can get when you divide and multiply a number with 25? Not really. So out of these 4 possibilities, how many do we have here? How many are possible? 2 and 5 possible. Is there 5 and 0? There is no 0, there is no 7. So none of these are possible. Only possibility is this. Yes, so one thing is clear, that in the favorable outcomes, last 2 digits will be filled with 25. That means there's only one option for the last 2 digits. Out of 4 digits, out of 1, 2, 3, 5, 2 and 5 are already fixed. So what is remaining? 1 and 3. 2 numbers, 2 places, 2 factorial possibilities, correct? So favorable outcomes is how much? Just 2. There are only 2 numbers that you can form. Yes, what will be the 2 numbers? Just for our understanding, what will be the 2 numbers? We will have 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 1, 2, 5. None of the other numbers that you can form, none of the other 24 numbers that you can form will be divisible by 25. So what's our required probability? Probability is nothing but favorable out of sample, that is 2 upon 24, which is nothing but 1/12. That's option A. Yes, math based question where you can't directly just apply logic of a permutation combination. You'll also have to apply logic of number system. Done. Very good Rama, very good Janvi, superb Gaurav, very good Ayush. Done. Chalo, let's move on to the next question now. Okay, before we move on to the next question, guys, every Sunday 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 1 hour quiz on Quant, VARC, LRDI. Use this QR code to scan. Use this invite code to get access to the quiz. Live quiz है, don't miss this out. This week's Quant, इस हफ्ते का Quant मैं set कर रहा हूँ, so it's going to be a little bit challenging. I've at least ensured that the questions are a little bit challenging. तो अगर if you're not into scholarship के सर क्या ही करेंगे scholarship का, then you can go for the practice. Yes, people who already have the subscription, उनका scholarship use नहीं आएगा. So you can go for the practice. Okay, 4th July को है. It's on 4th of July. Don't forget to enroll. Right. Now this is a question. Now read this question carefully. I know the length of the question itself will kind of demotivate you, but don't get right. Most ZAT questions. Most questions asked in ZAT XAT, which is for Xavier's group of institutes, you will get questions that are actually very long to read, but then as simple as it is long, right? Solution का simplicity और question का complexity directly proportional. जितना complex question को बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं उतना simple solution है. तो try and answer this carefully. There are 5 answer choices. Read the question carefully and let's see who can give me the answer first. Okay. Hi Ashmika. करो guys, try. Also guys, if you haven't hit like on this video yet, please go ahead and do that. Okay, chalo bolo guys. So if you've read the question, you realize that the first 2 sentences, not first 2 lines, first 2 sentences are useless, correct? Ramesh plans to order a birthday gift for his friend from an online retailer. Don't need to know who wants to order, don't need to know why they are ordering, just order. Yes. And they're saying what? This again a piece of information that nobody wanted to know, that the birthday coincides with the festival season. Yes, इसका बर्थडे दिवाली के दिन है तो उसके स्कूल में उसको छुट्टी मिल गई होगी, बेचारे को बर्थडे मनाने का चांस नहीं मिला होगा, अपने दोस्तों को चॉकलेट दिखा के क्या बोलते हैं अपना काम करवाना नहीं हुआ होगा, तो अब उसकी गलती है. नॉट आवर्स, हमें क्यों पनिश कर. सो फर्स्ट 2 sentences of the question useless. Yes, look at the third sentence. He estimates that the probability of receiving the gift in time from the retailers A, B, C and D are what? So we have 4 retailers A, B, C and D. The probability of getting the order or getting the gift on time is what? In each cases 0.6, 0.8, 0.9 and 0.5. Yes, what are they saying? They're saying he orders from all 4 retailers simultaneously. ऐसा कोई रमेश कोई अपने फ्रेंड के लिए नहीं कर रहा. रमेश अपने फ्रेंड के लिए नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है. मतलब मेरे इतने सारे दोस्त रहे, कभी जिंदगी में गिफ्ट नहीं मिला मेरे को. ये भाई साहब एक दुकान से नहीं 4 दुकानों से एक साथ में ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं. ओके, ही ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम ऑल 4 retailers simultaneously. They're asking what would be the probability that his friend would receive the gift in time. Okay. Yes, that's the correct, Gaurav. We're just good friends. वो वाले नहीं है जो स्कूल में, मतलब स्कूल में तो मतलब एक दूसरे को जानते भी नहीं है, ऐसे नाम से चिढ़ा ले तो मतलब गुस्सा हो जाए, मुक्का उक्का मारने आ जाएंगे. वही लोग ऐसे करते हैं. 4 जगह से एक साथ में ऑर्डर कर लिया, क्या भैया जिसका पहले आया उसका. अजीब. अरे यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन स्टोर का क्या बोलते हैं, कंपटीशन. जानवी सेज बी, गौरव से सी, ठीक है. अदर्स. So there's one small thing that you have not considered, right? Condition क्या वो, what is the question asking? The question is asking के दोस्त को gift मिल जाना चाहिए, right? The friend should get a gift, but from which retailer? From which retailer? Is it from A से मिल जाना चाहिए, या B से मिलना चाहिए, या C से मिलना चाहिए, या D से मिलना चाहिए? यस मतलब एक से ज्यादा भी मिल जाए तो कोई ऐसा गलत नहीं है, राइट? इफ बोथ ए एंड बी डिलीवर ऑन टाइम, नथिंग रॉन्ग. इफ ऑल थ्री ए बी एंड सी डिलीवर ऑन टाइम, नथिंग रॉन्ग. इफ ऑल फोर ऑल्सो डिलीवर ऑन टाइम, नथिंग रॉन्ग. उसने तो कैश ऑन डिलीवरी करवाया होगा उस जमाने में, कहाँ इनको इनके जैसे लोगों को बैंक थोड़ी ना क्रेडिट कार्ड डेबिट कार्ड देता होगा, राइट? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? यस. So the question indirectly is asking for what? Probability of at least one being on time. Yes, probability of at least one being on time. मतलब या तो A से आ जाए, या B से आ जाए, या C से आ जाए, या D से आ जाए, right? That is only one delivering on time. Or even if two stores are delivering on time, there's nothing wrong. If 3 stores deliver in time, nothing wrong. All 4 stores deliver in time, nothing wrong. What will be wrong? If none of them deliver on time, right? So probability of at least one being on time will be what? 1 minus probability of none of the stores being on time, right? None being on time. Agreed, everyone? Yes. So what do we want? We want the probability of not being on time, right? On time dash. If 0.6 out of 1 cases A delivers on time, then 0.4 cases it won't, 0.2 cases it won't, 0.1 cases it won't, and 0.5 cases it won't. Yes. So what do we want? We want this 1 minus probability of none on time. So let's first find probability of none on time. Probability of none of the stores delivering it on time means what? A should not deliver on time, and B should not deliver on time, and C should not deliver on time, and D should not deliver on time. Are you getting this, guys? Yes. So what do you have? 8, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So that becomes 0.004. But this is not our answer. A is not our answer, guys. Yes, A is what? Complement of what we want. What do we want? We want probability of at least one on time, which is going to be 1 minus 0.004. That's nothing but 0.996. ऑप्शन ई. मतलब भैया इसका गिफ्ट तो पहुंच गया इसका गिफ्ट तो पहुंच गया भाई. 0.996 मतलब 99.6% प्रोबेबिलिटी के एटलीस्ट एक गिफ्ट तो पहुंच ही जाएगा. यस, ठीक है. ताकि फिर वो जो है फोटो लेके इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल देगी कि थैंक यू सो मच, यू आर लाइक अ ब्रदर टू मी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द गिफ्ट. ये भाई साहब मतलब फ्रेंड जोन से डायरेक्ट ब्रो जोन हो गया. चलो डन. सो वेरी गुड. ऑप्शन ई. यस. प्रिंस आज कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ था, परसों हुआ था ऑन कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम ज़ैट. तो यू नो के बहुत सारा बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी आने वाला है बहुत बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी आने वाला है. Try this question. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस है. It is very interesting question. This one again uses a little bit of number system. मतलब बहुत हल्का हल्का सा, बट ठीक है. हाँ, Quick, guys. Anyone? थोड़ा सा एडवांस्ड है, हल्का सा एडवांस, नॉट टू मच. Yes. A total of 18 marbles, red and blue, in 2 bags. Yes. A marble is randomly drawn from the first bag, followed by another randomly drawn from the second bag. The probability of both the balls, both the marbles being red is what? 5 by 16. What is the probability of both the marbles being blue? तो ये लग रहा होगा क्वेश्चन में कि यार ये कुछ क्लियरली दिया नहीं है कि क्या सीन है, राइट? सो इट्स ओके, ट्राई विथ अननोन्स, ट्राई विथ वेरिएबल्स, इट विल मेक मोर सेंस. फर्स्ट पहले वेरिएबल से ट्राई करो, इट विल मेक सेंस. ठीक है? जब इतना अननोन होता है, इतने सारे अननोन होते हैं, देयर आर सो मेनी पॉसिबिलिटीज. यस, मल्टीपल पॉसिबिलिटीज, तो यू कांट टेक द रिस्क. ट्राई करो. I'll give you some time, try this out and then we'll solve together, okay? हुआ? Okay, Ajay says B, 2 out of 16. All right. Okay, what about others? This question does make you feel like there should be a cannot be determined in the answer choices, right? But because they are not that bad, they don't have cannot be determined, they only have none of the above, which Janvi thinks is the answer. Janvi says E, none of the above is the answer. Okay, हो रहा है आयुष? हाँ, करो करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, नो रश, आराम से करो, यहीं पे कहीं नहीं जा रहे कोई भी. कोई जा रहा तो उसको भी बैठा लेंगे कि कहाँ जा रहा भाई. टेन एंड 8 मार्बल्स हैं दोनों में. ओके, उनमें से रेड ब्लू का क्या सीन है? उनमें से रेड और ब्लू का क्या सीन? Anyone yet? Ayush says 3 by 16. Rama says D. Sneha says D. Prince says C. Yeah, C, 3 by 16 is actually the right answer. Option C, 3 by 16 is the right answer. Now let's quickly solve it, okay? So since a lot of things are unknown to us, right, let's put it this way. There are total of 18 marbles, है ना, थोड़ा सा जगह बचा के करते चलो. Total of 18 marbles. If I say in bag 1 there are X marbles, then in bag 2 there will be 18 minus X marbles, correct? Bag 1 में अगर X marbles है तो bag 2 में 18 minus X. Yeah. Now because we don't want too many complicated variables, थोड़ा सा simple कर लेते हैं. Red marbles in bag 1, red marbles in bag 1 को A ले लेंगे. Yes. Red marbles in bag 2 को C ले लेंगे. Blue marbles in bag 1 को B ले लेंगे. इसको D ले लेंगे, ठीक है? A B C D. Red in bag 1, blue in bag 1, red in bag 2, blue in bag 2, ठीक है? just to have an idea about what's going on. तो अलग अलग वेरिएबल यूज करेंगे तो will be better for us, है ना? चलो अब ये क्या बोल रहे हैं कि what is the given information? A marble is randomly drawn from the first bag followed by another randomly drawn from the second bag. तो bag का orders दे दिया. They've given the order of the bag, so we don't have to arrange. Yes, first bag, second bag, first bag. नहीं, order दे दिया, right? They're saying the probability of both being red is what? 5/16. Yes. So first ball being red, that is there are A red balls out of total X balls. In the first bag 1 में red. एंड बैग 2 में रेड कितना हो जाएगा? बैग 2 में रेड C out of 18 minus X, करेक्ट? यस. सो व्हाट इज दिस? A into C by X into 18 minus X is said to be 5/18. Sorry, 5/16. Agreed? 5/16. Yes. Now since this is ratio, this is not exact number of marbles, this is ratio, so we will have some kind of a constant. या 5k 16k ऐसे ले लो, जस्ट टू बी श्योर कि आप कांस्टेंट नहीं, मतलब क्योंकि रेशियो है वो कैंसिल होने के बाद, राइट? कैंसिल होने के बाद, सो यू हैव टू बी अ लिटिल सेफ, बी ऑन द सेफर साइड. यस. अब ये क्या, अभी व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम हियर? वी नो दैट x into 18 minus x has to be 16k, करेक्ट? x into 18 minus x has to be equal to 16k. यस, मतलब 16 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए वो, दैट्स द डील. 16 का मल्टीपल जो है वो होना चाहिए. यस. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द फर्स्ट बैग, राइट? फर्स्ट बैग में कितने मार्बल्स है? X मार्बल्स. को यहीं पे करते, चलो इनइक्वालिटी है, यहीं पे करते हैं. बैग 1 में X मार्बल्स है, बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग दैट ईच बैग हैज मार्बल्स ऑफ बोथ कलर्स. Each bag definitely has marbles of both colors. What is the least number of marbles that the first bag can have? Least number of marbles के इतने तो मिनिमम होने ही चाहिए, वरना पूरा बवाल मच जाएगा. इतने तो मिनिमम होने ही चाहिए, वरना things wouldn't make sense at all. 2, correct? One of each colors. एक रेड और एक ब्लू तो होना चाहिए, तभी ये वाला कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगा कि बोथ कलर्स के हैं मार्बल. एक रेड और एक ब्लू तो होना ही चाहिए मिनिमम. यस. सेम वे बैग 2 का भी क्या सीन होगा? बैग 2 का भी क्या सीन होगा? एटलीस्ट 2 तो होने चाहिए. यस और नो? 18 minus X मार्बल्स है बैग 2 में, उसमें एटलीस्ट 2 तो होने ही चाहिए, हैं कि नहीं? यस. ऑल्सो अगर यहाँ पे 18 में से आउट ऑफ 18 अगर यहाँ पे सेकेंड बैग में 2 है, तो फर्स्ट बैग में मैक्सिमम कितने हो सकते हैं? 16. फर्स्ट बैग में मैक्सिमम 16, क्या मतलब 16 से ज्यादा होगा तो बैग 1 में कम हो जाएगा, राइट? सेम वे हियर 16, इफ दिस इज मिनिमम 2, बैग 1 में मिनिमम 2 है, तो बैग 2 में मैक्सिमम 16 ऑल्टरनेटिवली, ऐसे. एग्रीड गाइस? यस. चलो सुपर. नाउ व्हाट डू वी वांट? What do we want? We have to check a situation जहां पे x into 18 minus x, that is x into 18 minus x becomes equal to a multiple of 16. Correct? This should be equal to what? Multiple of 16. Multiple of 16 क्या क्या है? 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, so on. Yes. But again इसमें वापस अपने को क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि let's say even if I take 16, कि भाई exactly 16 है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज है. 32 में वापस 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 4 into 8, yes, and so on, 8 into 4 and so on, right? तो बहुत सारे possibilities हैं and we don't want to take that risk of doing so much work, right? तो maximum करते हैं, let's maximize both of it, कि मतलब मेरे को ये भी maximum चाहिए और ये भी maximum चाहिए. Number of marbles here also should be maximum, here also should be maximum. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, 18 balls को equally split कर दूंगा. Yes, 18 balls को equally split कर दूंगा, right? Maximum. That is what? 9 in first bag, 9 in the second bag. Maximum. Yes. Which has to be what? This has to be less than. So this is the maximum value, right? 9 into 9. So can I say 16K will be less than or equal to 81? Yes or no? 16K has to be less than or equal to 81. That's the limit. इसके ऊपर जाने की जरूरत है नहीं. Yes or no guys? दोनों को मैक्सिमम रखना है, ये भी मैक्सिमम वो भी मैक्सिमम. मैक्सिमम इज 81, इसके बियॉन्ड नहीं जाएगा, है ना? Everybody agreed? चलो, if that part is done, now what can you guess? Can you start guessing now? Yes. What is told? It is told that A into C, right? A into C should be 5K, multiple of 5. अगर A into C must be 5K और डिनोमिनेटर में भी 16K है, तो what makes more sense? K being equal to 5. Checking, right? Let K be equal to 5. I'm not saying it will definitely be, but let K equal to 5 and check if it makes sense now. Yes, मतलब क्या? A into C should be 25, x into 18 minus x should be 80. Yes, x into, ये मैं यूज कर रहा हूं, देखो 16K less than equal to 81, तो K का मैक्सिमम नंबर क्या होगा? 5. K मैक्सिमम should be 5. Are you understanding this? Yes, तो अगर K 5 है, that means you should get x into 18 minus x equal to what? 16 into 5, 80. Yes, what would make sense? 80. You again have 80 के भी इतने सारे possibilities है, 80 के भी इतने सारे possibilities है, starting from 2 all the way till 16, right? Yes or no? 2 into 40 makes sense? नहीं. Can I have 2 into 40? It wouldn't make sense, right? Understanding? 4 into 20 नहीं. Yes, so x का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 और 16 के बीच में होना चाहिए. 18 minus x का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 और 16 के बीच में होना चाहिए. So the only thing that will satisfy will be what? 10 and 8. You have 10 and 8, you have 16 and 5. Yes, अगर ये 16 है तो ये 5 नहीं होगा, but this satisfies. If x is 10, then 18 minus x is 8. That makes sense, correct? तब क्या क्लियर हो गया इससे क्या क्लियर हो गया? दैट नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स, नंबर ऑफ मार्बल्स इन द फर्स्ट बैग कुड बी 10 और 8, सेकेंड बैग कुड बी 10 और 8, 8 और 10, 10 8 8 10, कुछ भी एक, तो अपन अस्यूम कर लेंगे कि फर्स्ट में 10 है, सेकेंड में 8 है. हाँ बोलो अगर ये क्लियर है. से यस इफ दिस इज क्लियर. यस. व्हाट एल्स इज टोल्ड टू अस कि A into C should be 5K, मतलब 5 into 5 25 है ना? कर्सर कहाँ गया भाई? हाँ, 5 into 5 25. Yes, only possibility you can have 5 into 5 25 is if number of red balls in both these cases are what? 5. Correct? इसमें भी 5 red balls, इसमें भी 5 red balls. हाँ बोलो अगर समझ में आया तो. Only possibility है कि नहीं? नहीं तो क्या होगा? 1 into 25, that's not possible. Yes, 25 red balls नहीं हो सकते, उसके अलावा और कोई फैक्टर्स ही नहीं है. So what's understood? A5, C5. मतलब B कितना हो गया? B will be 5, D will be 8 minus 5, 3. So now it is understood that the probability of both marbles being blue comma blue, yes, will be what? First में कितने balls? Out of 10 marbles, 5 are blue and out of 8 marbles, 3 are blue. आ रहा समझ में? Which is how much? 3 by 16. So probability of both balls being blue is what? 3 upon 16. Done guys. So there's not just direct probability. यहाँ पे सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि फॉर्मूला, हाँ भाई सर आपने तो फॉर्मूला बता दिया, फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे आंसर आ जाएगा. आएगा इसमें? नहीं आएगा, राइट? देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कॉमन सेंस आल्सो दैट नीड्स टू बी पुट इन, जैसे कि ये वाला केस हो गया, ये वाला केस हो गया, है ना? गॉट इट? Ayush, there would be an alternative, definitely would be an alternative where you guess, right? 10, 8, 18, 9, 9, 18, you can guess and then you can try out with 5 by 16. Yes, if your denominator, that's 5 by 16, matlab whatever you have in the denominator, total number of balls in product of both their cases must be a multiple of 16. वही सेम अपन ने किया है, just using numbers. ठीक है, असम्पशन नहीं करके नंबर से किया अपन, और कुछ भी नहीं. डन? चलेंगे नेक्स्ट. चलो, ओके, बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट गाइस, आस्क अ डाउट फीचर, फ्री फीचर अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन, एनीबडी कैन यूज दिस. Just download Unacademy's learning app, use Surana Live when they ask for a code. You can directly upload a picture, highlight the part with the doubt, and they'll help you answer it. Done? All right, another one from XAT guys. Chalo, let's see who can answer this. 2020 की तरह पानी नहीं पिलाते. नाच लूं, पानी 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 करके नाच लूं. How long it should take for such questions? Darshan, technically because I had to explain all of this, it took us long. Otherwise that question can be done under 90 seconds. Yes, 90 seconds is also an overstatement. If I hadn't have to explain all these concepts to you, 90 seconds maximum. Even if you try this question for the first time, 90 seconds mein ho jayega. Right, try this question. This is a puzzle. This is a very famous puzzle. Yes, if you type coin probability puzzle, you will get a similar question like this. This is actually a puzzle that was turned into a question for XAT. The people who knew this puzzle beforehand, it was an advantage for them. Others, it's not that difficult. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सॉरी तो पजल है, मतलब एकदम आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचना पड़ेगा. Also out of the box is a hint for this question. Out of the box is a hint for this question. Okay, Prince says D, 36%, 0.36. All right. Others? I just gave you a hint. This is an out of the box question. Let's see if you can answer this. Young Savage says D, 0.36. Okay. Others? Chalo, so I'll explain the question. Let's see if you could understand this, right? So what are they saying? There are a floor, there's a floor that is full of square shaped tiles of side 10 centimeter each, right? So we have a square 10 centimeters. Yes, another square 10 centimeters. Here another square 10 centimeters. another square 10 centimeters each, each side is 10 centimeters, another one 10 centimeters, here also 10 centimeters. I know this triangle, sorry, rectangle square सब mix हो रहा है, but just to understand, है ना? So this is your floor, let's say this is your floor. Yes, each of this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, ऐसे पूरा 10 10 10 by 10 का square है. Okay, now they're saying there is a coin. Yes, coin जिसका radius क्या है 3 centimeters. What is the probability that the coin will land completely within a tile? What does it mean? अगर coin यहाँ पे गिरा, let's say अगर coin ऐसे गिरा, is this within the tile? Is this within a tile? Is this yes or no? Do we want this or not? No. Is this within a tile, guys? This within a tile? Definitely not. Is this within a tile? Just this much? Still not acceptable, right? Because there's one part that is still outside. So what do we want? We want the coin to be like this, correct? ये coin जो है ऐसे होना चाहिए, है ना? 3 centimeters ऐसे. So now can I say this is within the tile? Yes or no? अभी क्या ये within the tile है? Definitely, right? This is the center. Same way यहाँ पे, is this within the tile? Is this within the tile? Definitely, yes. Is this ये ये ऐसा रिक एंड मॉर्टी का मॉर्टी जैसे लग रहा है अचानक से. Or maybe because I just watched the last episode recently now. चलो, this is where the circle should lie, correct? ऐसे होना चाहिए circle. अब circle जाने दो, centers को देखो, centers कहाँ पे lie कर सकते हैं? Centers are allowed to lie here, correct? Let me use a different color. आओ भाई रंगोली. If centers lie here, ये वाला जो green color का line है, इसमें कहीं पर भी इस पे या इसके अंदर अगर आपके circle का center lie करेगा, तो definitely what will happen? The coin will lie within the square, correct? एक टाइल के अंदर गिरने के लिए, इस ग्रीन टाइल के अंदर, ग्रीन स्क्वायर के अंदर अगर कॉइन गिरेगा, कहीं पे भी उसका सेंटर गिरेगा, तो डेफिनेटली द कॉइन इज इनसाइड, है कि नहीं? यस. तो क्या है, इस सर्कल का रेडियस कितना है? 3 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो 3 सेंटीमीटर्स यहां से गया, दिस 3 सेंटीमीटर्स, this 3 centimeters gone, so 6 gone. What is the side? इसका 4 by 4. Yes. So what do we want? We want the center of the coin to fall within the 4 into 4 square. Yes. What is the total sample space? 10 cross 10 वाला स्क्वायर, है ना? 10 cross 10 वाला स्क्वायर. अब ऐसे कितने स्क्वायर्स हैं? We don't have one square, एक स्क्वायर नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारे. कितने स्क्वायर्स है नहीं दिया हुआ है. So if we assume there are n total n squares, तो उतने छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर्स भी होंगे. Yes. So our required probability is what? Very simple. Required probability is going to be f upon s, that is 4 cross 4 by 10 cross 10. into n वो वैसे भी कैंसल हो जाएगा. So what is it? 4 cross 4 is 16 by 100. That's nothing but 0.16. Yes, which is option E. Nice. Done. So if there is a 16% chance that it will fall within the tile, then what will be the chances that it will not fall within the tile? It should be in at least two of the tiles. A coin should drop in at least 2 of the tiles. It's a different version of this puzzle. Same puzzle, different version. So probability that the coin should fall in at least 2 tiles. What will it be? 1 minus 0.16. That's it, which is 0.84. So there's an 84% chance that it will lie outside the square, 16% chance that it will lie within the square. Understood? Thank you so much, Janvi. But हाँ ऐसा है कि these kind of questions you have to try frequently, right? ऐसा ही एक same question, similar question, not same, similar question मैंने जून 14th के कॉम्बैट में भी पूछा था. जून 14th के कॉम्बैट में भी similar question पूछा था. Yes, आप जाके check कर सकते हो. Like if you have the app, go to the app. If you haven't registered already, register yourself. अगर आप टेस्ट में जाओगे तो उधर में आपको कॉम्बैट दिखेगा. Yes, कॉम्बैट में जाओ, go to जून 14th वाला. जून 14th में मैंने एक probability का क्वेश्चन किया है similar to this, so you can try that question. It's fun, it's interesting. ठीक है? चलो गाइस, we want to do this now. चलो एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, फटाफट से कर लेते हैं. This is a very simple question. This is just a random question. But ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, like you know, this is a very simple question, very easy question, but still a question like this was asked. Quickly try this. What is he? Probability. What is the probability that they will contradict each other when talking about the same event? हाँ जी guys, quick. Ajay says C, 0.4, 40%. Okay. Others? Simple question ऐसे एकदम टॉमी को बिस्कुट खिलाए जैसा क्वेश्चन है. Only that you are not very comfortable around dogs and अरे टॉमी तो नहीं काटता, is just a statement owners say to console themselves कि कहीं उन्हीं को ना काट ले. अदरवाइज टॉमी का मुंह देखने पे तो लग तो रहा है ये डेफिनेटली 10-20 को तो काट के ही आया है. अन्वेषा says B, Janvi says B, Ajay says C. Okay. Alright, what do you mean by contradict, guys? What do we mean by contradict? When does contradiction happen? When two people are saying two other things, correct? When two people are talking two other things. Yes. Now in this given situation, if A tells the truth and B does not, they will contradict. Yes or no? If A tells the truth, B does not, they will contradict. Same way, if A does not tell the truth and B tells the truth, they will contradict. Yes. When will they agree with each other? When will there be an agreement? Not contradiction. Agreement कब होगा? When both A and B are telling the truth, or when both A and B are telling the lie. Correct? दोनों झूठ बोल रहे हैं या दोनों सच बोल रहे हैं? Agreed? तो हमसे ये नहीं पूछा गया है. This is not what is asked. This is asked कि दोनों contradict करने चाहिए. Yes. What is told? Probability of A telling the truth. A telling the truth is what? 70%. That's 0.7. And in Bob's case, it is 0.8. So probability of both telling a lie, not truth. Yes. Not telling a truth is going to be what? 0.3 and 0.2. Correct? What do we want? We want in one case, case 1, we want A telling the truth and B lying. This is going to be what? Probability of A telling the truth, that's 0.7. What is the probability of B telling a lie? B lying would be 0.2. And या और नहीं है, और नहीं है, and है, and. So this is going to be 0.14. Same way in the second case, A telling the lie and B telling the truth. Yes, A telling a lie, B telling the truth is going to be what? A lying is what? 0.3 and B telling the truth is 0.8, which is how much? 24, so 0.24. Again, what's the scene, guys? Both cannot happen at the same time. A telling the truth also, lie also can't happen at the same time, so it is OR. If you add this, what do you get? 0.38. Yes. Understood. Now what does this show? This shows that there is a 62% chances that they will both agree. 62% chances that they will agree, 38% chances that they will contradict. Got it? Done. Chalo. Thank you so much, guys. Let me remind you, 2 classes I have planned for Thursday, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. Please get yourselves available. Thursday 10 a.m. triangles पे. Thursday 10 a.m. triangles पे we have taken about 6 lectures on triangles alone. नहीं, 5 lectures on triangles alone. Right? Triangles पे अकेले पे 5 lecture करी अपन ने. Basic से लेके advanced concept सारी YouTube पे available है. If you want, you can go through them. Yes, name of the batch is beginners batch. पूरा बेसिक से लेके एडवांस तक स्लोली विथ एग्जांपल्स पूरा समझाया है, सारे पॉसिबल थियोरम्स, सारे रूल्स, एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल. राइट? ये क्या है यार? ठीक है, 5 लेक्चर्स. यस, 10 AM से 11:30 PM, 1.5 घंटे का है, बिकॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, दैट इज वाई. एंड ऑन द सेम डे, थर्सडे at 1 PM we have a free class on what? Probability. Yes, we'll be seeing some level 1 questions, level 1 to level 2. चलो, सिर्फ level 1 तो बहुत कम हो जाएगा, बहुत easy हो जाएगा. Level 1 to level 2 questions. Okay guys, please be there. Links for both the classes are given in the description. You can go join them. There's an option called enroll kar lo. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, quickly download the app and use the code Surana Live when you register. Okay, registration में पूछेगा कि आपका goal क्या है. Put cat. Yes, don't put Amiri. Okay, Amiri is not a goal. It's actually a goal, but ठीक है. CAT and other management entrance test होगा वो. Okay, and you can also go for the subscription, guys. Next month I am also planning a lot of plus classes. There are 2 batches that will be starting. Yes, you can enroll into these by selecting any one of these packages if you're preparing for CAT 2022 and above, that is CAT 2022 and other management entrance tests that will happen later in the month, in the year of 2022 and 23. And if you're preparing for CAT 2021 plus, that means CAT 2021 and other management entrance tests happening in the in the first half of 2022. If you are only preparing for CAT 2021, then you can take a 6-month subscription. If you take a 6-month subscription, you get a 1-month subscription free. Yes, don't forget to use Surana Live for a 10% discount. I hope these classes were interesting, these questions were interesting, these concepts you've understood. Yes, if you are someone who needs guidance at every step, like self-study may not be the thing for you, or you don't want to risk it. Yes, you don't want to waste a year in case things don't go your way, then you can go for the iconic CAT subscription. where you have all the benefits of Plus: unlimited access to all the content, live recorded notes, theory classes, practice classes, quizzes, mock test, previous year questions, solutions, doubt clearing, all of that. Along with all these benefits, you will also get an access to a personal mentor who will be assigned to you. He or she is a graduate of top B school like IIM Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bangalore, and so on. You can, your mentor will be assigned. He or she will help you with everything, be it profile building, be it GDPI, WAT, or getting you a schedule, any doubts that you have, motivation, everything will be done there, right? So for this, you can use my code Surana Life, 10% discount. Again, you will get, these are the prices. This is again for someone preparing for CAT 2022 and above. This is for CAT 2021 and above. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for being a part of this session. Don't forget to hit like before leaving. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'm expecting to see you all tomorrow also. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. I'll see you all tomorrow. Keep learning. Let's crack it.